Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. Today, we're tackling a common issue of how to fix phone keyboard typing wrong characters. If you find our content helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Step 1. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Step 2. Next, locate and tap on the Search Settings option within the Settings app. Step 3. In the search bar, type Manage Keyboards and select it from the search results. Step 4. Find and tap on the keyboard that is causing the problem. This will open the settings for that specific keyboard. Step 5. Now, tap on Text Correction. Step 6. Scroll through the options and toggle off the auto correction feature to stop your keyboard from typing the wrong characters. And that's how you can fix phone keyboard typing wrong characters. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more helpful content. See you in the next video.